Hey, my friends, Chad Livingston from A Better Edge. Listen, I know that you guys are seeing photos of our work often, and I don't know for sure if everybody knows exactly what it is that we do. So I thought I'd just take a quick moment and give you guys a couple of examples. So, most often, what we use our services for is to separate your grass from your flower beds. And as you can see, it makes a beautiful curve, it makes nice clean lines, a definition between the grass and the flower beds. A lot of people will call it like a frame around a landscape. So if you have a beautiful landscape like the one you see behind me, you want a frame around it, like having a picture on your wall. You could have a canvas sitting there that's absolutely gorgeous, but the frame is what makes it really stunning. It protects it, keeps it safe, keeps it hanging. So same ideas with a better edge. Rather than using something that's dangerous and flimsy, we have something that is super safe and it's sturdy, it's going to stay there. Some amazing maintenance things. This is all one continuous piece of concrete. So it's poured in place, and that helps stop the grass from encroaching into the flower beds. You can set your mower wheel right on that edge when you're mowing. It helps to save a lot of time whenever you're trimming and mowing. There's just not a whole lot of maintenance that's going to be required with an edge like this, and our friends love it. So another option is using our edge to separate different types of xeriscape materials. So here you can see that we're using it to separate the rocks from the mulch. And we've got another spot over here where we've done the same thing, separating the rocks and the mulch. And we have some amazing patterns. Like this is very aggressive, kind of a rock styling, but we can also do stone. We could do just a simple clean line curb. Pretty much any style that would fit with your landscape. We have lots of different shapes and sizes to fit, but the main idea is that we are using this edge instead of some of the other stuff that's available to you, like a plastic or a metal or a brick, because what we found with those options is they're often falling over and not really containing and doing what you had hoped they would do, whereas our edge is sunk in the ground and it's wide enough to help stop the grass encroachment, but not so wide that it looks obtrusive in the landscape. It really looks natural in a landscape, and it really helps the yard to look super well maintained and beautiful. So that is A Better Edge, one continuous poured line of concrete, and we use it as a mow strip, and we use it as a separator, as a barrier, and people just love it year after year after year. We've been doing this almost 20 years. We go by our jobs from early on, and we still see how people are using the system almost every day. It's stopping grass from encroaching, stopping the bark and the rock from falling into the grass, and people are mowing right there on it almost weekly. So anyway, we would hope that you can now get a little bit better idea of what it is that we do. We're unique concrete people. And that's A Better Edge. 719-233-EDGE. We would absolutely love the opportunity to work for you.